Hi guys, so welcome back. So today, um, we're going to focus on how you can create a group. How you can create a group and set it up such that it is ready for operation. So you can make maybe share it with the members to join. You can start tracking records and etc. etc. So let's get started. So we are going to resume from where we left. So this was where we left. So notice that once you log in, and instead of saying that login register, you'll see this dashboard. To just click on the dashboard. So when you click on dashboard, you'll be taken to this page. In this page, you will see a list of groups that you are participating in. So all the groups will be listed here and some here, whereby you will see the name of the group, their logo, and your role in that group. So since this is a new account and it has not been invited to any group, so it will just we will just add a group. So assuming you are the one who want to manage a group, so you want to add a group, just click on add, then provide the details of the group. So for example, you give it a name. So just give it a name. So I'll name it group, test group. The abbreviation. So this abbreviation is going to be used majorly while generating membership number for the group members. So I'll just use TG as the abbreviation. Then the group email. This one will be used maybe for sending invoices and etc. Anything that's related to the group, so it will be sent to this group email. Then if you have rules, you can just give a description of the group, the rules in the group here, and the group logo. So these are optional. So if you don't have a logo for your group, you can skip it. But if you have a logo, you can upload it as well. So I'll just create a group. So once I've created a group, I'll be redirected to this page. Yeah. So I'm requested to subscribe before continuing. So what this majorly means is that you can't maybe continue using a group before enrolling for a particular subscription. So there are these two at the moment. So we have a trial package and a basic package. But a trial is just we're not charging anything, so it's just free for 30 days. So I'll click on this one, and you notice that once you've logged in a group, you'll have this advanced site navigation bar will change. So you'll have this option for reports, reminders, sending SMS, logs, yeah, managing members, updating group information, managing subscription, billing information, invoices, etc. etc. And here you'll also have the shortcuts whereby you can be able to add another group, generate reports, set reminders to the group members, add record payments, set member targets, add members and manage members, manage group purposes, group accounts. So this one are like the bank account or something whereby the money will be channeled to something. Then we have billing information, manage subscription. So the first requirement is that you have to be enrolled to a particular package subscription plan before you continue using the service. So I'll use this. Um, Yes, so once you've enrolled, then you will be required to also to update your billing information. So this one will just be used to structure the invoice that will be sent. So it will read the address of the group and the name you provided and blah blah blah. So just create for you an invoice and the time for generating invoices when we'll be generating invoices. So I'll just use that. Maybe address. I'll just use anything. Yes, and the town I can just use anything that is optional and then just add. So this one, you remember when you talked about the format, so you follow the correct format. So once you have updated your billing information and you have updated, you have enrolled to a subscription plan, so you are good to go. So you'll see this, it will be informing you that your next payment you'll be required to pay 150 come 31st of January. So that will be based on when your trial ends. And now you have no invoice. So at the moment, you don't have an invoice because we're currently running on a trial. Yeah, so this one enables you to edit your billing information, and this one enables you to edit your payment information. So what this is, major the payment information is used to send an STK push. So when an invoice is generated and you want to pay for that invoice, just click on pay. There's a button. So on this card here, whereby you are having no charge found. So here you'll see a list of invoices that you, if you are, you have been invoiced. So and there will be a button for pay now. So when you click on that, it sends an STK push to this number. So if maybe the number has changed, you can just edit it here and the STK push will be sent to it. So let's go back to our group. You can click on this title, or you can just use on this side navigation bar. So I've created a group, and now there is one member in the group. So when you create a group, a membership instance is created as well. So you'll be your membership instance in that group is created, and admin privileges assigned to it when the first time you create a group. So you can see but I've been created as a member with this membership number, the TG001. So I'm the first member in this group. If I have a target, I'll see it here. If I have the savings, I'll see it here in the progress bar. So here in this card members ranking. So here you'll see a rank of members. So based on how they've been saving and operating in the group, so they will be ranked. So you will see up to 10. So here you will be having the top 10 members ranking based on their savings and etc. So recent transaction for the group will be listed here. The total members will see them, the total group accounts, total savings, your account, and everything. So before doing anything with this account, and so first you set a group account. So this will be like a bank account whereby they will be used while performing activities like adding records. You have to specify which account was affected and some things like that. So and so you add one before participating. So when you click on the accounts, there is none at the moment. So you can just click on add new, and here I'll just have maybe KCB bank account. And if you have to add some notes, you can add it, but that's optional. And then just save. So you are having an account, and the account, the moving balance for that account is this, and status is active. So meaning this account can be affected or something. When it's active, you can add payment to it or something. But when it is disabled, then it will no longer receive transactions. So this action is just available for admins. So when you are a normal member, you'll not be able to see this one. So we have set the account. So when you have the account set, so you'll see the total accounts here, you'll see the total members here, you'll see the total savings here, your account. So this will just give you a report. So at the moment you don't have a target, you don't have a saving, you don't have any loans, you don't have records. Then this one is just for filtering. If you want all records, you want record within the current month, within the last 6 months, within the last 1 year. You want to change the role of a given member, you want to disable that account for that particular member. So that's available there. And also in the reports here, you can just view reports. If there are transactions, you'll be able to filter them, you'll be able to search, you'll be able to generate PDF, export to CSV, send them to emails, and also you'll be able to view summary report if there's one, but at the moment there is none. And also the reminders, you're able to set reminders for the group. So if you set a reminder, you just you give it a title, which is optional, and you just maybe the type of the transaction type, just fill the form, then the frequency. So will the reminder be sent monthly, every 2 months, every 6 months, will it be yearly, or is it just once? So if it is once, then you set it to none. If it will be repeating, you set the frequency here. So the system when it is 3 days to the date or to the due date, it will send reminders to all the group members, and members will be seeing it through this alert. Right? Yes. So send SMS is also there. So this one allows you to send an SMS to all group members. So if you want to communicate something, for example, you are meeting on a particular date, so just use this, enter the name. If you want to call the members by their name, just use this placeholder. name. So while sending the messages, the system will automatically fill in the name of the member. So say you said hello name, how are you doing, and you send it, it will read hello. If it is sent to Jeff for them, it will read hello Jeff for them, how are you doing, hello so and so, how are you doing. So if you want to use this placeholder, if you want to call members by their name, just use this placeholder name in the message body. And here you are able to see the logs, group logs, and manage members. Here you'll be able to see their role, their status. You can view that account, you can disable their account, and everything about them. So up there, you can use this to update your group information. Manage subscription. So if you want to change to this, you are on a trial. If you want to change to the basic, you can do that. And also the invoices. So if you want to see the invoices, you can use that. Now, I think that's enough for today. And the dashboard allows you to go to the theme, like white theme, and at the bottom you can still be able to see your groups, edit your profile, and manage, see whatever is in the profile. So assuming I don't want this letter J here. I want to have my own image displayed there. I can just come here and add an image. So you come here and upload a sample image. Then it will update my profile, and now you will see this will be placed with my image. So that's also there. You can manage your next of kins, your password, your emails, and everything. And thank you. So see you another time.